Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat video not playing. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat videos not playing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this list, you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. It's already clear cache here. And then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.